All right, Dorian, this is a video to go over the problems that you missed on your practice test. You got part A right on this question, but for the second part, you didn't move your decimal place enough spots. So to change a percent to a decimal, we have to move our decimal place 2 places to the left and then fill in the zeros. So it should have been 0.042. So you moved it once instead of twice. For the next problem was just a rounding error. So when you did the math, the problem came out to 140,652.819. I see where you just dropped off the decimals, but to round to the nearest whole number, we need to look at the first decimal, which is an 8, which means that is high enough to round up. So the 2 would change to a 3. And that's what the answer showed. All right, and this third one you missed says the population of a city has decreased by 27% since it was last measured. The current population is 36,500. What was the previous population? So if it decreased by 27%, let's see what percentage of the population we still have. So you would do 100 minus 27, and that would give us 73%. So change that to a decimal, and it would be 0.73 times the original population, which I will put as N, and then our population that we have, 36,500. So this is our equation. So now you need to solve for N by dividing by 0.73 on both sides. If you put this part in the calculator, you would get the 50,000. All right, the next problem is about unit price. So to find unit price, you would do the total price divided by the units that you sold, and that would give us the price for 1 unit, which we call unit price. So in this problem, it says Hong makes $28.20 from selling 56.4 ounces of lemonade. And they want us to find how much he makes per unit of lemonade or per ounce of lemonade. So we would take the $28.20 and divide by the 56.4 ounces. And if you put that in your calculator, you'll get the 50 cents per ounce. All right, and the next problem says write 19/6 as a decimal. If necessary, use a bar to indicate which digit or group of digits repeats. So I see what you did is you rounded to the nearest hundredth instead of using the bar that it indicated. So if you do 19 divided by 6, you get 3.16, and the 6 repeats forever. So what it wanted you to do was just put a bar over the first number that repeats instead of rounding. All right, and this last problem here says at a sale this week, a suit is being sold for $129.20. This is a discount of 66%. What is the original price? So if we're getting a discount of 66%, we need to see what percentage we are actually paying for. So you would do 100 minus 66, and that would give us 34%. So we are paying 34% of the original price, and what we pay is $129.20. So like we did before, divide by the percentage on both sides, and that'll give us the original price. So put that in your calculator, and you'll get the $380. Please let me know if you have any questions, Dorian. I hope this helps. Let me know if you want to do any more practice before your test. I'd be more than happy to meet with you.